skiing! The past few days have given us a preview of spring skiing with warmer temperatures that soften the snow throughout the day, but we still have plenty of snow on the mountain with more than half of our trails still open on our 4 sides. So ski season is far from over. There's still over a month to enjoy it all. Once again, we will be hit with a rain episode on Thursday, but the sun will be back on Friday along with the cooler, more seasonal temperatures for the weekend. The nights are still quite cold, but this allows our grooming team to reset the snow and to provide you with a firm, freshly groomed trails in the morning. As for our snow parks, our team is rebuilding the Adrenaline Park this week following the weather from the past few days. So the upper and lower Curé des Lauriers section have reopened on Wednesday, and the Promenade section will be ready for the weekend. This Saturday is the Jamigos in the Adrenaline Park, so join us to enter our friendly jam session. There will be entertainment, music, prizes, and lots of fun. So you can register now. It's open to everyone, skiers and snowboarders age 13 and up, and it's free. The après-ski Tremblant continues this weekend at Place Saint-Bernard, so come and enjoy après-skiing and some music with us as of 2 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Finally, it's the last weekend to go check out the Samsung and TELUS Après All Day Chalet at the base of the north side. It's the perfect place to take a break between runs and enjoy a free hot chocolate. So see you on the slopes and have a great weekend!